Hey guys, did you just make a cake? Mmm, is it good? Adia, do you want some of the cake? Do you want some? Mmm. What kind of cake did you make? A chocolate cake? Mmm. Mm. You guys did a good job, by the way, too. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for all your help. Adia, do you want more, honey? Are you trying to sneak a finger onto the beater? Here, Adia. Mm. Is it good? Okay, let's go put it in the oven. Say bye. Can you tell everybody bye-bye? We're going to go finish our cake.